How to fix if you cannot sign up for DeepSeek Chat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the OTP or sign up issue on your Android devices for DeepSeek account, follow this process. First of all, head over to Play Store to get the application. Once installed, tap on the open button and then you will land to the login page. You can either use the email and password to log in. However, this will ask for OTP and you might receive issue with the OTP sign up or verification. So in order to bypass the OTP requirement, the best process would be logging it with the Google account. So for this, scroll down a bit and select the option of log in with Google or sign in with Google. Tap on it and select the account that you want to use. Once that is done, you'll be asked to agree to terms and conditions. Tap the account that you want to use, agree and share to the sign up option, and you'll be signed up for your DeepSeek account. The process is same for the website as well. You just have to sign in with your Google account. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.